I thought I'd give you all an update as to how things are looking on the homestead here. So it's 10 acres, and what we're looking at right here is the half acre where the cabin's going to be built, and where you can see that trench right there is where the septic is going to end up going. And off in the distance out there to the east, you can see the beautiful prairie grass starting to grow in the 1 acre meadow. And when we do a flyover with the drone, it doesn't show true justice to just how pretty it's really coming in. And just thought I'd give you a snapshot of what's happening. So as you can see, as we're coming up to the ravines of the dry creek, which is ultimately the pond with the dam to the left-hand side, but here we have the 1 acre meadow that we cleared. And eventually, this is where I'm envisioning the tents would be pitched for all the visitors that are going to end up coming here to learn things, experience things, and the prairie grass is coming in. It's coming in beautiful.